Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, I bring you another hot app guys, and the name of this app is CryptoPanic. So if you are into investing, crypto trading guys, this is a app that you should know about. So what is CryptoPanic guys? So CryptoPanic is a app that help you track crypto investment and all guys. So this app will update you about the crypto crash before it happens guys, and it will tell you news like current news that is going on about the crypto world guys. So you need this app as a crypto investment. So now let's explore this app together guys. So here it says trending: pump crash 14% below ICO price after founder rules out airdrop. So this comes in 4 hours ago, and 7 hours ago here it says Ethereum whale and sharp link gaming accumulates $400 million in Ethereum amid market consolidation. So as you can see, it tells you important news about the current crypto market guys. So here it says ChatGPT predicts Cardano price in 2025. So all these things will be needed in your crypto journey, because when we talk about crypto guys, one of the things that makes crypto investment profitable or not profitable, it is information, like information you consume guys. So crypto panic will tell you the news you should focus on, and it will let you know why a coin is pumping and why a coin is dumping guys. So let's check out this place. Here it says market cap, which is 3.93 trillion. So this is the current market cap guys. So everything is here. So here is Bitcoin. As you can see here, it shows you news about Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin pump or dump now, you will know the reason why that actually happened. So here it says 30 minutes ago, planning to retire with Bitcoin. Here is how much you will need in 96 countries. So all these news will be important for you guys. So here it says NBA legend scored a Pippen predicts XRP to $10 in 2026. So if you want to know more about this news now, so let's just click on it now. So you can just comment your thought about the news exactly guys, and there are a lot of other exploration tools here. So let's check out these all. So here it says your gateway to tools and services that enhance your cryptocurrency experience. We have carefully curated a list of top partners across various categories to help you navigate the crypto space with ease. You see the VPN? So VPN, like they recommend VPN for you, which is NordVPN. So now let's check out security. So it is NordPass for security. Funding trading, they recommend Funding Pro. What about wallet? Coming soon. So they don't recommend any wallet yet. So exchange, also coming soon. So earn and staking, coming soon. Lending and borrowing, coming soon. So there are other things to check out on this website guys. So now, and if you have money, you can just use the pro version guide. So the pro version will even give you in-depth knowledge about all this news guys, and help you to analyze it. So you don't really need to be a crypto guru before you start making money in the crypto world, because when you know what to do, then you will make money in the crypto world. So here it says collaborate. So let's check out collaborate. So it says CryptoPanic developer platform. So CryptoPanic developer platform offer you multiple ways to use and include CryptoPanic data into your site and project guys. So it will help you out when you, like, let's say you have a crypto website now, you can integrate this CryptoPanic developer platform into it, and it will help you with the news better guys. So that's just it. And here it says like language, you can also use different language guys. So there are just a lot of things here guys, and I'm sure you will love it. So as a crypto trader, you need this website guys to help you out in your investment. So now let's check out the guide. So you can see there are a lot of questions. So if you want to ask questions guys, so just click on each question and you will be answered guys. So now here it says pro guys, so you need to have a pro account before you can get all these questions answered guys. So that will be all in this video guys. So if you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.